Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the date on your Seiko SRPD 57K1 caliber 4R36. Now this one has the automatic movement but with the manual wind function as well. Now if you're new to the channel and enjoy watches, you want to learn more about watches, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. So guys, if you landed on this video, you might know that there is a possibility to break the date wheel when you change the date if you do that incorrectly. Now the first thing that you want to remember, and maybe the most important thing from this video, is that you should always set the time at 6:30 when you set the date. Meaning I'm going to pull the crown all the way and I'm going to set the time at 6:30. So now we have 6 and 30. This is very easy to remember because at this point both of our watch hands are on the lower part of the dial. So you never want to change the date between 9 and 12 or between 12 and 3. So never on the upper part of the dial. Always to have the hands on the lower part, especially the hour because that is the one that is most important. Only that one, but this is a very quick and easy way to remember. Now when I am in this position, I can actually push the crown all the way back in, pull it to the first position, and now I can actually change the date. So going downwards, it will actually set the day of the month, and also when I go in an opposite direction, you will be able to set the day of the week. Now, usually when you want to set the date, you might want to know whether you are AM or PM. A thing that you can do is to actually set the date one day before. So if I want to make it the 24th and Friday, I should first set the time on the 23rd and Thursday. And that is because I want now to pull the crown all the way in order to set the time, and I will go past 12 to see whether I am AM. And now that the date has changed, this means that now we are AM. If I want to make it PM, I will go one more time past 12, and now let's make it 5 PM. So I'm going to set the hour at 5 and the minute hand at 12. And now I know that it is Friday the 24th and it is 5 PM. So once again guys, make sure to have the watch hands at 6:30 when you change the date. Then make sure to set it one day before, especially when you have a day-date complication. So once again, as I've shown you, the 23rd and Thursday. If I want to make it the 24th and Friday, then you go once past 12. If you set it at night, meaning that you are AM, you are going to go only once past 12 when the date changes, and that way you know that you are AM. If you go once again over 12 o'clock, it will be PM. So guys, that is how you set the day date on your Seiko watch that has a movement 4R36. Now this tutorial will work on most watches that have a day-date complication. You might have a screw down crown or other functions, but nonetheless you can use this on most of your watches. Once again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.